Suddenly, one of the men grabbed his mother's gold chain and the two men ran off. Adil pedaled as fast as possible. When he reached his mother, she was crying. Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will read English story Adil and the Gold Chain. Adil and the Gold Chain. Adil was 12 years old. He lived with his parents in a house in a small town. He cycled to school every day. One Saturday, Adil was cleaning his cycle. His mother said, "I am going to the market, Adil. I want to buy some vegetables." "All right, Mom," said Adil. 10 minutes later, Adil finished his work and went into the house. "Why, there's Mom's bag," cried Adil. "She's left it behind." He took the bag and ran out of the house. He jumped onto his cycle. "I shall catch up with Mom in a minute or two," he thought, and he cycled quickly along the road. Adil soon saw his mother on the pavement. She was talking to two men. Suddenly, one of the men grabbed his mother's gold chain and the two men ran off. Adil pedaled as fast as possible. When he reached his mother, she was crying. "Don't cry, Mom," he said. "I will catch them and get your chain back." He went off on his cycle after the men. After a few minutes, Adil saw the men. They were going quite slowly and Adil kept behind them. Soon they went inside a house. Adil put his cycle against the wall, crept up to the window and looked in. The men were in the room. One of them hid the gold chain under a clock. Then they both sat down and started talking and laughing. Adil looked at the number on the door, which read 219. Adil cycled straight to the police station and ran inside. "Sir, sir," he cried, "please come quickly. Two men have stolen my mother's gold chain." "Are you sure?" asked the inspector. "Where are they?" The inspector and a constable went with Adil and knocked on the door of house 219. One of the men opened the door. "Is this one of them?" asked the inspector. "Yes," shouted Adil. "He stole the chain." The man laughed. "You won't find any chains here." The inspector walked past the man and entered the house. Adil and the constable waited outside. "It's under that clock," shouted Adil from the doorway. Immediately, the two men tried to escape, but the policeman caught them. The inspector found the chain under the clock. The policeman took the men away and Adil went home. A little later, the gold chain was returned. "What a brave, clever boy!"